All right, so we've got 15 minutes here. So we're going to see if we can figure out how to link to other pages in Next.js. And then we're going to figure out, once we've linked to those other pages, are they loading as a full page load? Is it single page application style? And last time, we didn't realize until the very end that we were working on server components. We kind of thought we were maybe on the client, but we weren't. So one goal today is to figure out, where is our code running?
Well, I think we made that assumption because we're writing React code, so we thought surely it's running in the browser.
Yes,
but I guess not.
Yes. So this was a really cool, awesome website. And it has another feature though, right? It has this thing where we can say name Jordan and it will name you Jordan, and we can give it colors like this, right? Oh, look, history remembers. Sure, blue is great. And it will change it, right?
Yeah.
So we should link from our home page. We should link to some names.
Yeah,
and
baby
so
steps.
For those who have been around a while, the traditional way since the 90s that we've done this is with an A tag, right? So I'll say link to Eric. And so then if I wanted to go to that page, it would be name Eric, and maybe I will do color equals, how about purple? Is purple a thing? Oh, look at that, it's beautiful. What I might do is just, I might just put this guy in his own little container. For those that are also new to this, a div is just a block level element. You can't have too many divs, right, Jordan?
No, always solution is add another div.
Yes, divs are like violence. If it's not working, just use more of them. Okay. So that works great. But I bet you, so this guy in the dev tools here, we can see he's just like a real A tag. And I bet you, there's a lot of stuff here. Holy cow. I bet you if we click on this,
you gotta go to the doc,
Yeah, I bet you he's a full page load, Yeah, and so we're just, okay. So that's fine, but
the browser made that,
I did see that here in 2024, we have a link component. And it extends the HTML, so that's uses prefetching.
That's reassuring.
I don't know what that is. Okay, let's just pop it in here. And so, oh look, it was already in here. Oh, nice. Okay. So we can use it. So how about we link to Jordan using the link. And does it have an href? It does. The path or URL. Okay, it can also be an object.
Whoa, what happens then?
One can pass it. What else does it take? Oh my goodness, look at that type definition.
I don't understand.
Forward ref exotic component.
Omit HTML anchor. Boy, I don't know if I know enough
I don't think my
TypeScript typings to know that.
A little rusty. And so I think one of the things too that confused us last time is this stuff is all React based, right? Next is using React on other covers, and historically that's been client side only. So imagine our surprise when the server's doing it. So do you want to take bets? Oh, and this should say Jordan, right? So, and you shouldn't be purple, you should be like red.
I bet.
Do you think it's gonna upgrade it?
Yeah, I bet there's not a doc request.
Oh, that is ugly. We could probably clean that up too, but for now we will. Okay, ready?
Yep.
Oh, you are right. You are right. So what did happen, do we think? Oh, there was...
Wait, why was there two? Did you click it twice?
I don't think so. Is one a prefetch? Here, let's do a hard reload. Okay, I'm hovering over it. I clicked it. Why is it? Yeah, there's two. Well, it's a conundrum for another time. Okay.
But it did make XHR requests.
So next thing. How do we know where the code is? So like it runs both places, right? So when it does this, sometimes it renders on the server, and sometimes it's doing it magic SPA land world, right?
So I bet these ones, because they're server components.
Oh, you can't do. How do you do breaks in JSX?
It doesn't let you do that?
Is it like, oh, it's probably like this.
Yeah, like that.
Okay. Yeah.
I bet that it always renders it on the server. Like
Oh.
somewhere in that GUI, it's giving the DOM elements or the HTML that it should put into the DOM and then change the history
So
API.
the hypothesis would be if we, in this really smart name guy here, if we slap a console log in here,
Yeah, you'll never see it in the client, is my wager.
what is my name here? Is params.name. Okay, so we think it will always show up here in this terminal.
That is my bet.
Okay, I think you're probably right. Okay, so here we go. Let's reload it. Make sure. I guess I'm so used to hard reloading everything, and I guess in this world we don't have to. Okay, ready, go. So let's check our console. Nothing in the console. And my name is Jordan. Okay, you're right.
So if you so now you hard reloaded it, and probably just have another one in the, server.
Yep. Interesting. So it's handling the marshaling of all that for us, which is actually kind of cool. I will say, I mean, so far it's pretty slick. Like, we haven't really figured out how it works yet, but it has not worked for us.
Yes, and whatever rough edges there are beyond our grasp still.
Yeah, so I think we're making progress. Okay, so we have links. They do SPA things, but they also work for full reloads.
Yeah, I will say, I mean, there are worse ways, I guess, that you could do SPA.
Yeah. Because historically, that's always been a pain, right? It's trying to get the routes to load like from the server, like, but then also like client side. So actually,
so in this case, it's cute in that like you just make links and then it works.
I can kind of see like if you had a simple site where you could just crank on this stuff, like it would be pretty slick.